Coast Guard operation. Objective, to destroy Nazi radio and weather reporting installations on the northeast coast of Greenland. Lowering a scout plane for reconnaissance. At one point, when an enemy trawler was sighted, a 70-mile chase through great ice floes ensued as the Nazi vessel twisted in intricate maneuvers to escape. Out of a task force of 4 cutters, 2 chased the fleeing vessel, the Northland and Storus shown here. Guns opened fire on the German trawler. Their ship scuttled, this group of Nazis surrenders, climaxing the 70-mile pursuit. Included among the prisoners were 8 officers and 20 enlisted men. The Coast Guard mission began in July 1944, when the Greenland Sledge Patrol, composed of Danish nationals, discovered evidence of a Nazi station near Cape Siezes. These Navy films were taken during more than 2 months of operations through ice-packed waters. Probing the icy waters for additional quarry. A Focke-Wulf attached to the Nazi expeditions is sighted. The plane veers off to the east and disappears. Our position is 800 miles below the North Pole. Boats are lowered for a dawn attack on Little Koldewey Island. The 2-platoon force of sailors is from the cutter East Wind. Their objective, a Nazi radio and weather station, source of valuable weather-gathering data transmitted to Berlin for use in operations throughout the Northern European theater. These latest skirmishes are the northernmost engagements to have taken place in this hemisphere. Several months prior to the landing, an Army combat crew searching the area of Cape Siezes found a Nazi base hastily abandoned and burned. Koldewey's base, however, was found intact. The station is finally liquidated as 3 officers and 9 enlisted men surrender. A total of 60 prisoners were taken during the 2 months' operations. The job had to be done during the relatively short period when ships are able to operate through the shifting flows of the Arctic Ocean. During most of the year, the northern seas are covered over with ice. Mission accomplished. Northern Europe's weather originates and moves eastward from here, so the Nazis had equipped this valuable base with a large amount of scientific and radio equipment, which is removed to the cutter East Wind. Another ship in the Arctic mission was the South Wind. The cutter Northland made the first American capture of Nazis September 1941. Destroyed in the current operation were 3 German expeditions.